to see about Python introduction. Python is one of the programming language. Let's see the introductions. So, what is a Python? Python is a cross-platform programming language, and it was created in 1991 by Guido van Rossum. It is a free and open source language. Why do we need Python? It's a cross-platform language. It means it works on different platforms like a Windows, Mac, Linux. Always it will work. And also it has a very simple syntax like a English language. And it runs on interpreter system. Interpreters means that code will be executed as soon as it will be written. And it can be created in a procedural way, it's an object oriented way, or functional way. So Pythons, using the Pythons, we can create the websites and we can develop a lot of application software, and it works in mathematics applications also, system scripting also we can. And Python features was first one is easy to use because of simple syntax. We can use very easily, and it's the interpreted languages. So line by line code will be executed. Third is a cross-platform language, so it can run on the different OS, say independent of OS. And fourth one is the expressive language. It has very less code to written to perform the bigger things. And it's a completeness. Python is a very complete language. It supports a lot of libraries. And also the libraries we can download freely also because it is an open source. And we can modify the source code also. And then there are few drawbacks also available in Pythons. First one is lesser libraries. So compared to then other languages, C++, Java, Python has very lesser libraries, and it's very execution slow because it is interpreted languages. So its executions slow. So it's a slow language. And one more drawback is a type binding. So because one variable we can use the different data types, not like other languages. In C languages, if we declare one variable as integer, throughout the program we can use it as an integer. But in Python, one variable we can use for the different data types. So the type binding is very weak in this Python language. And next we are going to see how to install Python. There are two steps available. First, you can download Python package and then you can install Python from that website python.org. Downloads you can go, or you can type Google just Python free download. It will come in the first link. You can download the Python latest versions. So after downloading, you can install, double click the file, application file, exe file, and window will appear. You can click the run. This is I show for the 3.6.2 versions, and it's to click run option. So while you run the application file, okay, the window will come like this. So here you should click install now. Before clicking install now, you have to check that box. Two checkboxes bottom is given. Install launcher and add Python, the versions, which version you download, the version to path it will come. So both checkboxes you have to check. Afterwards you have to click install now. And notice, suppose the earlier version if you install means you can give that upgrade also. So user account control will open like that. Just click yes. So setup after you are clicking setup files, it will be running like the setup progress. So next, your installations completed means it will come like the setup was successful. And next we are going to check okay whether we install properly or not, how it's work. We can check. There are two ways we can use that: interactive or immediate mode. Another one is script mode. So in interactive mode, we can open the command prompt and type this Python code, and we can check whether we get the output or not. Or Python, ideally we can open it and then in a shell, Python shell, we can type it and execute it. That is a immediate mode, interactive mode. So we want to quit from that interactive mode, you have to type that quit or exit. So it display that multiplied and it's display. We can check it. Print statement is used to just display the message what we have typed inside the double quotes, as well as print the number also. Without quotes means it will do any additions, subtractions we can do, and it will be displayed also. And second mode is script mode. In script mode means we can save the file, Python file with extension .py in any text editor, and then we can run in that Python. So once we store means later also we can open and execute. But interactive mode means we can't save that content. Script mode means we can save the file. Save means let's see step by step. First open the Python ideally, and in the file menu open that new file. So script window. So so this is a script window. After you are clicking the new option from file menu, it will open the new. So here I have typed three statements: print hello, print world, and print. Python is a object oriented programming language. Type the statements. We have to save the file. Click from the file menu, click save. Then which location you want, you can save. I have saved the default locations with the .py. So it indicates it's a Python script. File is ready to run. So click the run module or F5 shortcut key. Run module option command is from the run under the run menu, or you can simply press the key F5. Then you will get the result like this.